Morning, Mama. I know she was at the neighbor's eating. Came like around, it's ridiculous. She came like around 4:30 a.m. I was just sleeping, guys. Couldn't get up. Look at Panchito. Look at Panchito. Oh, now that's Queen. Let me see. That's Panchito. 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 He's so cute. He's just the best husband ever, guys. Best partner to Petunia. He puts up with everything. He always looks happy and fluffy. He'd rather not eat than let Petunia eat. Isn't it, Petunia? He's a good husband. That's why he's still with her. Panchito, Panchito, beautiful boy.